The video you're about to watch is a very loose guide of how to remove and reinstall a single output kitchen tap.
Welcome back to my channel, DIY with Tim. What am I going to do today is take these kitchen taps off the wall as they are, and also I'll show you how to install these taps. So what I shall use in place of that are these. If you know what these are called, let me know in the comments below. So anyway, first of all, what we must do is turn the water off, which I have already done. As you can see, no hot water and no cold water. And let's undo these to take this off the wall. As you can see, they are not very tight. Basically, you only do those hand tight, which is standard. So a lot easier to come off. And same as with this one, as easy. Better than have to put a lot of strain on your arms. So, there we go. Put those to one side for the moment. This is a pain because you do get water dripping out, as always, no matter where you are. So what you will need is a rag of some kind to soak up the water. And you're going to need some what we call PTFE tape. I have no idea who put these in originally, but never mind. Now what we need to do is to basically readjust these to make the tap level. Otherwise the water is not running into the centre, which is a bit over at times. But to do that, it's easy enough. You adjust one and the other. Still not quite. Not to worry. Get there in the end. As I say, Rome was never built in a day. Just a matter of keep on readjusting until you get that spot. Okay, that'll do. So what I need to do next is basically put what we call PTFE tape over here. It seals the thread so that it doesn't have any leaks. This. Not sure why they did not do this originally, but no point. This, for all I know, may not be the best way to do things. Not to worry, but this is the way I do it. I'm not a professional plumber by trade, but this is what I do anyway. Because basically it saves me having to pay somebody else to do it for me. That's what I do. Now if you can do things yourself, then have a go. But whatever you do, don't follow me on what I do. These you need washers. Otherwise you'll have a leaking tap. Put the washers into the taps, as so. Have fun doing this, always is. Screw the taps back into place. They're not hand tight. As you can see, still leaks. Which I said earlier I do not have. Not one big enough anyway. That's why I use this, which I think is a Monday wrench. As I said earlier, if you know what it is, let me know. Also, if you want to see more of my videos, click on the subscribe, and also click on that like button. Be very much appreciated. Trust me. And also click on that notification icon. So whenever I upload a new video, it will automatically let you know what I've done. I just always want it on. Great when things are a little awkward, don't go according to plan. That's the way it is. of water everywhere. But at the moment, not a drop to drink. Well, as you can see, at least that's going on better now than what I did earlier. I hope it saves water in. I'm sure it will. As with this side, just tighten it up enough to make sure that the tap itself doesn't move. As you can see, it doesn't. So now it's time to turn the water on and hope and pray for the best. Well, as you can see, this side is, yes, that's dripping, so that's not tight enough yet. Not to worry. Take this off. If we do make a few mistakes now and again. As you can see, I'm in no way a professional, but I do sort of know how to do things. Not very well, but at least it works. That's that side sorted. Got to put it on to try the other side. I'll turn the hot water, got to turn the cold water on. So I can see, I'll make sure that this also doesn't leak like this was. Okay. Just turn the water, cold water on. And let us see what happens. The water comes out. Wait for a moment as we watch. And as you can see, there's no water coming out of here or here. So for me, that is a good job. So don't forget, if you want to follow my videos, click that subscribe button and also click the like button. You have no idea how much that means to me. And also click that notification icon so you can be notified about new videos that I upload in the future. Anyway, I hope that you like this video and I shall see you next time. Thanks for watching.